Move around, that's it, that's it. Trevor? That's it, keep doing that. Rebuild this wall. See, we're going to have to rebuild it. There is the bulk wall there. We'll clean that nice and tidy now. See that? Ready for the shuttle. Just because I think nobody's doing anything. Trevor's gone down the field to put gravel boards and knocking out ready for the steel. And you can see there's a filthy great split in the floor there. So what we've done is taken the plaster off the walls at the back because the patio doors are coming out below that. And what we're going to do, I think I've already demonstrated to you, but I'll show you again. I've now got the props in, the hole, the window's gone, and the props are in ready to be able to take out the back there, like that. Now, there's lots of work going on outside here. The gravel boards are in and everybody's working away in the garden there, as they always are. Just finished preparing for the bottom steel in here, and we had to put a trough in the floor. If you look there, you'll see what I mean. That's the trough. It's waterproof. It's got concrete in the bottom. It's got more concrete to go in it because the big steel that goes in the bottom has got to sit on concrete tomorrow. So I've got it all ready for that today. That's what I've been doing. Another forking skip filled right up, and that's how it goes around here. So that's what we're doing, but the impact of this here with the wide open back, which you'll see tomorrow once I've taken all the props out on Wednesday. That's the trough in the bottom again, see? Anyway. So film me doing it. Ready? Yeah. Christopher, winding, Ryan winding. That's how we left in the steering, see? Will doing fuck all as usual. You could easily sit on that one, it would still go up. That's what those two things are for, dear. See that? Wind it up. Keep going. That's it. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep going. Keep going. Try to go up and sit on them posts, you see. I'll tell you what, Chris, it might want to be one of the... Anyway, that's what we're doing. We're going to slit it onto those posts there and weld them like I welded the buttons already.
Ready?
Okay, keep going. A bit further. Not too much, Christopher. That's it.
Where you want me? More?
That'll do.
A bit more.
All of the back of the bastard house is falling apart, so I'm bricking all the floor joists back in. And I'm going to brick the whole bloody lot back in because the whole fucking house is falling apart. So I took it all out. You see that? A new ladder as well. We killed ourselves with the old one. Anyway, that's it then. I think you can see that's all bricked in along there. Bastard of a job. That's done. I'm going to do the outside skin next. And it's raining and it's blowing a gale. And everything else. So let's see. Real soon.